Hi, my name is Stolar-Peterson, and I am a child custody evaluator and a licensed clinical social worker and an expert witness. I want to talk to you about some of the anxiety or fear that you might be feeling in regards to court. I wanted to record this in front of the first courthouse that I ever testified in, and I was completely frightened, terrified, sick to my stomach, all those fun feelings, and it was horrible. I was completely unprepared. Nobody prepared me for that experience. What did I learn? Prepare myself, because I didn't want to ever feel that way again. I did not want to feel incompetent or dumb. I was second-guessing myself. It had this dark cloud effect on me for quite some time, and I never wanted to feel like that again. And I absolutely refused. So I took the time to learn a lot about the court and talk to attorneys and those who've sat on the stand and have answered questions and not felt good about it, and asked them what was going through their minds. And a lot of them couldn't remember. They just remembered the fear. And so when I coach or help prepare my colleagues or my friends before they go to court, we spend a lot of time really talking about what to expect, what type of questions, what the agendas are in the courtroom, how to prepare for that, how to experience a positive courtroom day, to walk in and feel prepared and to answer questions in a calm, clear, succinct manner, not let them see you sweat, though you might be internally dying. That's okay, because the preparation for how court actually is makes all the difference in the world. Any therapist who helps people deserves to help themselves overcome the obstacle of fear or anxiety as it relates to court. Court is completely doable. Court is just one more thing to learn. That's all. I think the most important thing for therapists to remember is that we help others. It's important that we help ourselves as well. And that is by far what I have found to be one of the biggest struggles for some of my therapist colleagues, is perhaps they're practicing some self-care, but when it comes to court or something that perhaps gets them questioning their abilities or their sense of knowledge in a certain area, I get frustrated, because I know how amazing they are as a therapist, and I'm going to do everything that I can to help them overcome that obstacle, because I know how important court can be. And if you have a bad day in court, it just follows you like this dark cloud, and no therapist needs that. Not when we're so busy exerting all of this energy helping others, to go into court and to feel beaten down, or to leave there and feel incompetent or second-guessing who we are as professionals. That just, we're better than that. So like we do with our clients, we help them prepare sometimes for those scary days, those things that might be uncomfortable. We might role play, talk them through it, walk them through it, slow exposure, whatever method you might use. It's our turn to take hold of that uncomfortable, that unknown, and to overcome and really step into the light. And I'm not saying that to be cheesy, I'm saying that because it's true. When you leave court, you should feel like you're stepping into the light. You should feel like you have just climbed Mount Everest, and you just feel amazing. And I want that for every therapist. I think every therapist absolutely deserves to have a great day in court.